Hey guys, Dan Hood, BIGDH2000 here. Just finished up something in the shop. This one's actually for me. I've been out of commission. You can tell by my voice that I've had a really bad case of strep throat. Hush. Sorry, the dog feels he deserves my undivided attention. But anyway, um, I've been a fan, I've been a fan of the Oren by Eric O for some time now. I've tried a few of his models. A lot of them are a little too thin or, for my small hand. So I asked if he'd be kind enough to lend me the design. And he did, to make a one-off just for me. Here it is. As you can see, it's multiple layers. Okay. It's an Ocularis design. Put my logo pin on it. You can tell every one of those layers is individually glued. What I did was I created one layer of aluminum, got it to the pattern, got it to the size, the shape. Then as I glued on each layer, I sanded it down to the original shape. No, I did not route it. I kind of used a bandsaw and then sanded it because none of the layers were really thick enough to catch a route or a trim bit on. But anyway, as you can see, it's basically got a black layer of G10 in the middle that's about somewhere around 1/8 of an inch. Each aluminum layer was 1/8 of an inch before I took it down on the two outsides. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4 aluminum layers, 2 red G10 layers, and 1 black G10. And then this is actually plain old black phenolic resin. It doesn't even have cloth in it. It was a piece of material I accidentally bought thinking it was cloth phenolic. Turns out it wasn't. But I've since used some of it in palm swells, and it makes really, as you can tell, it makes really nice black palm swells. But anyway, this is a beast, okay? This is not meant for a small hand. So let's have a little fun. Taking down the tins. Todd Ransom. Eric, beautiful design, man. I hope I did it justice. Todd Ransom gave me some Gray Wolf, as many of you know, gave me a whole mess of those 10-point knockdown targets. So every once in a while I go down there, hang them all back up on the magnet. I've also got a wasp spinner, thanks to Simon, through Dan Ambrosios. Hit the bar. But that's about the same size as the 10-point knockdown, so I have that down there. But yeah, right on the edge. As you can tell, I'm one of those shooters that gets really close a whole lot of times. Oh, almost. But anyway, I really love this design. If you guys want one of these, you'll never get one from me. I promised Eric I would never make one. But he's actually selling off some of his collection. If you want to go look at Metro Grade. There we go. That's one down. Some of you have been asking me. This is Red Precise. I cut it at 3/4 straight, and I used 12mm steel. Stuff's pretty powerful. I don't think you're going to need much more than 3/4. You kill a horse with this already, especially at the distance I pull it. Here's another one. Let's see if we can give Simon's spinner a smackdown. Yeah, you guys heard it. It's a very distinctive sound. Anyway, guys, finished up this Oren. It's for me. Eric always has fancy names for him. I'll let him give a fancy name to this one when he gets a chance. One or two minor imperfections, but like I said, it's for me. and you'll probably see me shooting this a bit at competitions. You're welcome to try it out. Anyway, guys, take care. Eric, lovely design. Thanks for letting me have a chance at making one for myself.